Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, we'll walk through how to delete a comment on Facebook. Whether you made a typo, changed your mind, or just want to tidy up your activity, deleting a comment only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, scroll through your feed or go to your profile to find the post where you made the comment you want to delete. When you open that post, scroll down to locate your comment. It might be under a friend's status, a photo, or even a post in a group. Once you find it, press and hold your comment for a couple of seconds. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From that menu, look for the option that says Delete. Tap on it once, and Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. This extra step is there just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. Go ahead and tap Delete one more time to confirm. And that's it. Your comment is now gone. It disappears from the post instantly and won't be visible to anyone else. If you ever regret deleting it or want to write something new, you can always add a fresh comment right away. This quick method works the same way for most posts, whether you're commenting on a friend's timeline, a public page, or inside a group. Just remember that once a comment is removed, it can't be recovered. So take a quick moment to review before confirming. Keeping your Facebook activity clean and relevant is always a good idea, especially if you use the app regularly. A little maintenance from time to time helps your profile look more polished and keeps your comment history just how you want it. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who might need the same quick fix. Thanks for watching.